Victor, I could choose Zulu Delta X right here. I'm recording this video to share the idea of a piece of software that I just finished writing. I would like to share mostly the idea, not the software. I'm not going to share the software, at least for now, because it requires you to put in the configuration file your QRZ credentials, some login and password of email to send emails, and the YouTube API key. So it's kind of hard if you're not technical. So for the moment, until I simplify this thing, I will not share. I'm sorry. So this is how I do amateur radio. Um, I don't exchange QSL cards anymore, right? It's been the time that I exchanged. In the past, I exchanged a lot of QSL cards. I'm not exchanging anymore paper QSL cards. So the way I do is that I do something that everyone should be doing. I record my contacts, my QSOs, some of them, not all of them, and I use YouTube. I'm not a YouTuber, don't wanna be YouTuber, have no interest in being YouTuber. But what I do is that I use YouTube as my storage for videos, and when I publish them, I publish with the title, the date, and the call sign, right? Most of them are like this. Unless I do some tutorials for some friends of mine, it's mostly this. Alright. Okay, so after publishing this video, I go to the QRZ page of the person, get his email, and send the video to him. So he has the video of the contacts as well. That's what I do. As I do QRP and DX, I don't do POTA, this stuff. I just do QRP and DX. That's what I'm interested in. So the amount of QSOs that I have is not that many. So I could do this manually. But I decided to automate the process. So I wrote a small piece of software, and I'm going to explain here what this software does. I'm going to show the code, but don't even bother. It's just so you have something in the screen to look at. So what this software does, it starts fetching my videos from YouTube, the videos of my channel on YouTube, and I populate a local database here, just with the ID and the title of the video, right? In the same table, I have a column here, which is the date where I sent the email to the other operator. All right. So okay, so after I come back from the field, right? My idea is to have a diff file export from hammers, for example. And the diff file might have many records, right? Many entries of QSOs. So what this software does, it loops through these entries here, right? It reads the diff, loops through the entries, and gets the call sign. Getting the call sign and having the date and call sign, it goes to my table, try to find the video, right? Matching the date and the call sign, because you can have many QSOs with the same call sign, but in the same day, no, right? So that's it. And if the video was found and I have not already sent the email to this person, then I go fetch. If this is true, then I go fetch his information from QRZ. And if in QRZ he has the email in his profile, then I build an email, send the email, and that's it. Send only once, because once I send the email, uh, I actually, let me see if I have the table here. I'll show the table. I create another table. I control on two places just for redundancy, right? And send the email to the person. Um, with a template where I replace some variables. Hello, dear name, call sign. I had a QSO at this date. Whoops. At this date, at this band. Here's the video if you want to watch. Blah blah blah, etc. It is just the same text, just replacing for each QSOs. All right. So I have here my just my test. One is something that is not real. I have QSOs with Celso, but not this day. And one that is real, that I have the video on YouTube. Alright, so I'm going to run the software. First, it's trying to fetch new videos from YouTube. So my quota on YouTube exceeded. So maybe tomorrow I'll be able to fetch more and send the email to this person. I'm sending to myself, right? But I'll just replace to send for the real one. And there you go. Getting the information from the other operator, the dates and everything, and he can click here and watch the QSO. So basically, what I do is from now on, I don't need to do this manually. I'll just get home, upload the videos or upload in the field. I mean, you have the cell phone in the video, the videos are pretty short. I rarely reg 2, right, on CW. Just upload in the field, just get home here, process this file, and upload to QRZ. The piece that is missing is that since I have the URL of the video related to the contact, I'm going to add, in this case there is notes, but there is comments as well, right? So I'll add a new field here in the QSO entry with the comments, the video URL, just like I do in my QRZ log. Uh, so it's automated as well. So my QRZ log has the videos uh, with the all the rows in my QRZ log has the video in it, all the contacts in there, the ones that I recorded, right? So now the process is automated. I think it's cool. I like to send this stuff to people, and I add to the other operators, and I think everyone should do this. I mean, your phone is in your hand all the time, right? Internet these days is super fast. You just record, upload, delete from your device, and you have the QSO there forever. All right. Thank you very much. 73.